Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. So in this video I'll be talking about the Wi-Fi tethering option. Is it present in the POCO M2 Pro device or not? So what is Wi-Fi tethering? So Wi-Fi tethering is that you can actually share your Wi-Fi network by using this kind of Wi-Fi tethering. So for example, let me show you friends. So this is a POCO X2 smartphone which actually do support the Wi-Fi tethering feature. So which is first I have seen in the Realme X, then in the Redmi K20 Pro, in other smartphones we are seeing regularly this kind of functionality. So right now I'll demonstrate by comparing with the POCO X2, so you'll get a clear idea of what is this feature, so how it is helpful. So right now you can see I connected to the Wi-Fi network. Clearly you can see that I connected. So once you're in the portable hotspot, if I enable the hotspot, so usually in the normal mobile phones which are not supported, the Wi-Fi will get disconnected. So whenever you enable the hotspot, the Wi-Fi should disconnect, but in this case in the POCO X2 and few other smartphones the Wi-Fi won't get disconnect. So for example, in my house the number of devices which are connected to my router is limited to 5 devices. So I got plenty of phones, then how do I connect to Wi-Fi network with all other smartphones? So this is a way which I can do. So I'll just connect the POCO X2 to my Wi-Fi router and I'll create another hotspot where I can connect all these smartphones to this POCO X2. So not to the router, I'll be connecting to the POCO X2 and I can use the Wi-Fi network. So this is one way of doing. And next way is that whenever my friends they do come to my home, they'll ask my Wi-Fi password. What is the Wi-Fi password? Definitely they are friends and you will be saying to them, and every time they'll try to use all the data and everything. So to avoid that, what I will do is that I'll try to use this hotspot and I'll share the password to them, this password. So this one I can change whenever I want, not the router one. So router will be connected to the phone and from phone my friends will be connected. So I can control everything from here, data and everything. I can change the password. So in this way the Wi-Fi tethering is a most useful feature. So right now in the POCO M2 Pro, when you go to the settings, right now I connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can clearly see, as you can see here. So right now the update is going on. So you can see the Wi-Fi network is connected, and if I go to the portable hotspot and when I turn on the hotspot, as soon as I turn on the hotspot, the Wi-Fi will get disconnected, as you can see. So that means unfortunately the POCO M2 Pro is not capable of tethering the Wi-Fi at all. So only you can tether 4G data, but not the Wi-Fi tethering is possible in this phone. Unfortunately, this is a big drawback I can say, but most of the user this may not concern and they may not be even noticing at all after buying the phone. But definitely for me, after using this kind of feature, definitely from the minute till now I have used this feature many times in plenty of other phones which is actually present. So as you can see friends, right now I am using the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi tethering at same time, but in POCO M2 Pro you cannot do that. So it's not possible. So only if you disconnect the hotspot you can connect to Wi-Fi. If you turn off the Wi-Fi you can disconnect to you can connect to the hotspot. So this is a quick comparison friends, and this will give you a clear idea of how is a Wi-Fi tethering is important nowadays in everyday's life. And definitely try to subscribe to my channel for more similar kind of information videos. So that's it for this video. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.